Miss deadlines? Don't let overdue tasks slip through the cracks. In this quick Excel tip, I'll show you how to automatically highlight past due dates with just a few clicks and no formulas. Let's jump right in. In Excel, we've got a task list like this. Column A has the task names. Column B has the due dates. First, click and drag to select all the dates in column B, from B2 to B11. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Then highlight Cells Rules. Click Less Than. In the box, type equals sign followed by the Today function. Just like this. Choose a red or orange fill color. And click OK. Any task with a due date earlier than today will now light up, so you know it's overdue. Want to highlight tasks due within the next 3 days? Select the same date range again. Go to Conditional Formatting. Now go back to Highlight Cells Rules. And this time choose Between. In the lower box, type equals sign followed by the Today function. In the upper box, type equals today plus 3 to include dates within the next 3 days. Select a yellow fill to make them stand out. Finally, click OK. And just like that, your worksheet now highlights both overdue and upcoming tasks instantly and visually. Found this helpful? Like the video, share it with your team or friends, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more quick Excel wins every week. And don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching.